The reason that you keep manifesting the things that you don't want is because you keep thinking about them, you keep speaking about them, and you keep emotionally reacting to them. Every moment you have an opportunity to decide what you want to think, to decide how you want to feel, to decide what you are giving your energy and time to. Are you continuing to think about the things that you don't want, to feel into them, to feel trapped in this reality? Or are you getting so excited about the fact that you can create any reality that you want? Your life could literally change today, this week, in 30 days. Everything can change for you, and everything will actually change for you when you learn to master you. You have to stop allowing the circumstances that you're in to tell you who you get to be, how you get to feel, and what's available for you. When you start emotionally reacting to what you want as if it is actually available for you in this moment right now, you need to start training yourself to feel differently right now. That means you are no longer living in circumstantial power, which says when things outside of me are going the way that I want, I feel this way. I feel good, basically. And when things outside of me are not going the way that I want, I feel bad. You have to stop allowing your emotions to be dictated by what's happening outside of you. This is emotional intelligence. You've got to be able to not only master your mind to think differently and greater than your circumstances, but you also need to feel greater than your circumstances. And a lot of people struggle with this because they aren't actually practicing it. You have to learn to train your body and your mind to feel differently right now. The opposite of circumstantial power is personal power. And personal power says, no matter what is happening outside of me, I am choosing the thoughts that I think. I am choosing the stories that I tell myself. I am choosing the way that I feel. I am choosing the identity that I'm in. I am choosing it. I'm not allowing anything outside of me to tell me who I get to be, how I get to feel, what I get to think, what's available for me. I am too busy deciding what I want and becoming the version of myself who gets it consistently. Because I know that manifestation is internal then external. And when I master me, I master reality creation. So the only thing that I need to be giving my time, attention, and energy to is paying attention to how I feel, to what I'm thinking about, to the stories that I'm telling, to how I'm showing up. And when you do this consistently, everything will change for you.